wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best coconut oil shampoos. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. In addition to coconut, OK Deep Moisturizing mixes in argan, avocado, and almond oils for a formula that packs an extra hydrating punch. This balance of ingredients will leave you with a mane that's both beautiful and manageable. It doesn't feel greasy and adds life to thin locks. However, it runs out quickly. At number 7, Hask Monoi Nourishing will help you achieve salon quality results without the eye-popping price tag. A rejuvenating combination of oils not only strengthens tresses of all textures, but soothes the scalp and keeps follicles healthy too. It's certified gluten-free and safe to use on color-treated hair, but the fragrance is quite strong. Coming in at number 6 on our list. If social responsibility influences your purchasing decisions, Sheamoisture Daily Hydration's Fair Trade Shea Butter will likely appeal to you. And this shampoo and conditioner twofer contains acacia senegal to support elasticity. It has a softening effect and includes natural triglycerides for moisture. However, it can leave fine hair looking greasy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for coconut oil shampoos, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, honeydew all natural cleanses and conditions at the same time, so you can eliminate one product from your shopping list. It contains strengthening protective fatty acids and is made using certified cruelty-free ingredients. It's formulated to prevent hair loss and comes with a satisfaction guarantee, but it is drying on some hair types. Our wrap our list at number 4. The Oliology nutrient-rich shampoo and conditioner pair will help you maintain a healthy scalp in addition to gorgeous hair. Its botanical extracts are gentle on the skin and leave a lovely fragrance behind for hours after each wash. These come with convenient pump dispensers, and the included coconut oil is organic. They may prevent split ends. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Palmer's Repairing can undo the damage caused by sun exposure, hot irons, and dyes. If your strands are in need of a mini spa treatment, this duo will definitely do the trick. Plus, it's quite effective when it comes to controlling flyaways. It contains keratin and makes knots easy to detangle, and doesn't strip natural oils either. At number 2, Garnier Whole Blends' formula includes cocoa butter for an especially creamy texture. It's paraben-free as well, which should put at ease individuals who are concerned about preservatives and their potentially harmful effects. It works well on curly hair, and there are 2 size options, both coming in a recyclable bottle. And taking the top spot on our list, Organix Extra Strength will take your locks from dull to shiny and lustrous in just a few washes. It reduces stubborn frizziness and boasts aromatic vanilla bean extract and essence of tiara to ensure you smell as good as you look. It contains no damaging sulfates, and a little goes a long way. It doesn't leave a residue behind. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for coconut oil shampoos, or simply click beneath this video.